Sabi nila, maganda daw tong mushroom foundation na to. Aside from the magic mushroom sponge, it can give your skin daw a cleaner complexion, conceal your pores, magiging flawless ka daw, tapos magmumukha ka daw artista. Plus, waterproof siya, so kahit mag-swimming ka, hindi mababasa yung face mo. Try natin.
Myself around you, girl, you got some kind of way.
What?
There's just something about you, girl, that makes me wanna stay
Here, I could spend the rest of my life, ride or die with you. That's just what you do, girl.
There ain't nothing in this world, nothing in this world like a Filipino girl. There ain't nothing in this world, nothing in this world like a Filipino girl.
Ano, bagay ba?